Hello, sir. Good evening. This is Aaron Kitch, Siadjana from Blocky. Today, I am going to create a topology of access port and trunk port using Cisco Packet Tracer. So, ayun. Unahin po muna natin gumawa ng mga VLAN. Maglalagay po muna ako ng mga PC dito. Check ko lang. Okay. Here, sir. Put natin tong tatlo. Tapos gamitin natin tong ellipse tool para mag-group siya. And then, let's put name here called VLAN 1, and then yes, that's it, ESC para ma-exit. And then now sunod po natin para mas maayos na lang tignan, mas mabilis, is lagyan na po tayo ng switch natin agad, and then pag connectin na po natin to. So eto, fast ethernet, sir. So dito po may 24 ports po tayo dito, pero dito po sa isang VLAN gagamit po tayo ng 5 port para may allowance po, and also may allowance tayo na dalawa, and also makikita po natin, explain ko po mamaya. Dito, fast ethernet 1 muna, and then fast ethernet hanggang 3, and then 3, oops, nagkamali ako. 3, and then after that, let's just fix this para maayos tignan. And then, let's create another VLAN again. Using, lagay muna natin mga PC. Usin natin. Then, let's use the ellipse tool again. Then, let's name it VLAN 2. Then, ESC. And then, let's connect it again using Cooper straight through. Fast Ethernet 0. And here, dahil nagamit na po natin yung mga tatlong ports at iwan po natin itong 5. Now, gagamitin ko na po itong 6 up to 10. 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then here, para hindi natin po magulo mamaya, i-connect natin po natin itong mga switches. Connect na tayo ulit. Then, let's use this na din. Gamitin na natin. Oops. Double tap ko. Oops, mali. Cooper straight through. Here, dahil dito po sabi ko kanina, gagamit tayo ng 5 ports at eto na po yun. Eto na po yung gagamitin natin na port 5. And then, here, connect po natin dito at i-connect din po natin siya sa port 5. And then, dito naman po sa VLAN 2, ang nagamit po natin is 6 to 10. So, therefore, ang gagamitin ko po dito is yung N port na port 10. So, here, connect din po natin ulit sa 10 lang. And then, let's create another VLAN. Dito, kahit ano naman pong process, kaso nga lang, inuuna ko na lang po talaga itong mga to pag connectin na agad kaysa tapusin po muna yung topology para mas hindi ko siya makalimutan later on. And then, let's use ellipse tool again. Oops. Then ESC. Move natin. Tapos, let's name it VLAN 3. Oops, nasobrahan. Let's move it out. Let's use connection again. Cooper straight through. Let's use this dahil nagamit na po natin yung 1 to 10. Let's proceed na po sa 11 to 15. Ganun lang po, same as usual. Let's connect this again using Cooper straight through. Then 12. And then 13. Mag-iwan tayo ng dalawa para dito and isa just in case magdagdag ng isang PC ang dito. So, dito gagamitin na po natin ng 15 para dito po yung isang vacant. 15. let's create the vegan 4 naman. Another PC, another PC, another PC, and then let's use the ellipse tool once more. And then vegan 4. Let's do this easy. Let's move it out para malinis tignan. And then go for straight through once more. Then same as usual. Dito po 16 to 20 naman po ang gagamitin natin. Then yan. 17. And then dito 18 naman po. And then let's connect this out. Let's connect this out using the port 20. Then connect this with the 20. So ito nagawa na po natin tong left side. And right now, same lang po dito. Gawa din po ulit tayo ng another vegan. So PC once more. Let's just make it 3. Ellipse tool. Oops, bakit dialog? Diyan ka muna. And then, let's see, vegan 5. Vegan 5. And then, let's move it out. Same lang dito, sir. Connect din po natin ulit. Let's just use this fast Ethernet port 1 to 4 kasi dito po napag-connect na po natin. Ito po yung tinutukoy kanina na yung isang beacon po kapag kinonect po natin dito, mawawala na din po siya kasi nagamit na po natin, na-connect na po natin using dalawang switch. So, as we can see here sa isang switch, nawala na po yung mga 5, 10, 15, and 20 kasi nagamit na po natin through pag-connect dito. So, ayun, let's proceed po ulit. Let's just continue as it is. Ito na lang. Then, 3. Then, ayun, nagamit na. Let's fix it out. Then, oops, let's move it out. Let's move it out para hindi magulo. So, another vegan again. Remaining 3 vegan. Then, ellipse tool once more. Masyadong malaki ate yung ellipse pero okay na lang yan. Isin na lang natin mamaya. Let's move it out. Lagayo na lang natin para may position pa din mamaya. Oops, sorry sa notification. Then, ayun. As we can see, wala na po talaga yung 5 dito. So, we are going to start na din dito sa 6. So, we will create another PC again. Let's do this ellipse tool. ESC. Oops, VLAN 7. I forgot to put VLAN on here, so we are going to put VLAN again here. So, here is VLAN 6, and yeah, done. Then connect this out again. Oops, let's start with VLAN 11. Then let's start with 12. Oops, di siya kita. And then VLAN 13. And let's move this out again para may part pa din tayo dito. Here din. let's just fix it out kasi masyadong masikip. And then, here, ito na po yung pinakahuling VLAN natin, which is VLAN 8. Then, i-restore once more for the last time. ESC, let's lock it out. Let's move it muna. Oops. Okay. Pagka-shine na natin, masyado nang masikip. Then, let's name it VLAN. VLAN 8. And then, for the last time, let's go and connect this out with port 16. And then, port 17. And then, port 18. And ayun sir, naipag-connect na po natin. At ito na po yung finalize ng topology core diagram. And so ayun, thank you po sa panonood and God bless. Have a nice day.